Kate here at WTI. Now, being warm does not have to equal being frumpy. This adorable three-piece set from IDOWELA is perfect for those cooler months. So it comes with this nice cable knit hat. It's got a pom-pom. It fits so well, a really nice beanie. It comes with a scarf. I love that it has the fringe detail on it. It's also cable knit. And then of course, the gloves. So I have smaller hands and I would definitely have room in these. So I would say for any average size woman's hands, these would fit just fine. This particular shade is khaki. I love it. It's like an oatmeal kind of a color. Great texture, great details, so pretty. Now, one of my favorite things about the hat is that it's fully lined, so it is genuinely warm. The scarf is a great length, so you can style it in different ways. You can dress this up or dress this down. So I like to use this on all occasions. It keeps all of my extremities warm to fight the winter. So I think you'll love it. They come in different colors as well, but this one is definitely a winner, and that's my point of view.